Hi guys, today I will talk about the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra versus OnePlus 12. The Huawei Nova 12 Ultra launched on January 2023 with the price tag of $700. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $700. The dimension is same, not much difference. And the weight of these devices, the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra have 198 gram and the OnePlus 12 have 220 gram. And the build, Huawei Nova 12 Ultra front glass and back silicone polymer and the aluminium frame. The OnePlus 12 front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both welcome with dual SIM support. The display of these devices, the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color and the OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size of Huawei Nova 12 Ultra 6.76 inches and the OnePlus 12 have 6.82 inches display. And the resolution of these devices, the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with 1224 by 2776 and the OnePlus 12 come with 2K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty. The Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with 449 and the OnePlus 12 come with 510. The refresh rate of these devices is same, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with 89.0% and the OnePlus 12 come with 91.3%. And the protection, the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 2 protection and the OnePlus 12 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the screen brightness, the Huawei Nova 12 come with 3000 nits peak brightness and the OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Huawei Nova 12 Pro Ultra come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel and the 8 megapixel ultra wide and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel, 64 megapixel periscope, 48 megapixel ultra wide and it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices, the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with dual camera selfie 60 megapixel and 8 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video. And the OnePlus 12 come with 32 megapixel and 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. And the platform, the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra come with octa-core Tizen big CPU and the OnePlus 12 come with octa-core Cortex X4. And the chipset, the Nova 12 Ultra come with Kirin 9000 F7nm chipset and the OnePlus 12 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor and the GPU Mylune 910 in Nova 12 Ultra and the Adreno 750 in OnePlus 12. The Nova 12 Ultra come with Harmony OS and the OnePlus 12 come with Android 14. The memory of these devices, the Nova 12 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage, the Nova 12 Ultra come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage and the OnePlus 12 come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage and not supported any SD card. The battery, the Nova 12 Ultra come with 4600 mAh battery and the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery. The charging of the device, the both device come with 100 watt fast wired charging and the wireless charging. The Huawei Nova 12 have not available any wireless charging and the OnePlus 12 come with 50 watt wireless charging and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same and the result, the Nova 12 Ultra got 17 point and the OnePlus 12 got 25 points.